still. Stars made the only light. The stars were twinkling in the sky. The stars were twinkling in the sky. The stars were twinkling in the sky on the very first Christmas morn. Okay, make sure you use your best singing voices, boys and girls. Then something exciting happened. An angel spoke to the shepherds on the nearby hill. Don't be afraid. I have good news. Just now in Bethlehem, a very special baby boy named Jesus has been born. All at once, there were many angels. The angels sang a happy song. The angels sang a happy song. The angels sang a happy song on the very first Christmas morn. The shepherd said, "Let's go right away to Bethlehem and find this special baby." The shepherds went to Bethlehem. The shepherds went to Bethlehem. The shepherds